How to fix Excel file not opening on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Excel file is not opening on Windows. So the first thing you want to do is find your Excel file, right click on it and click on its properties. So once you open up its properties, what you're going to do is, if here you can see the option to unblock, just click on it, click on apply, and then click on OK. After that, your Excel should open. But if it's still not working, then you're going to have to open your Excel app. Now, once the app is open, you just want to head over to the account or the options on the bottom of your screen and head over to Trust Center. Now click on Trust Center setting, and now from here click on Protected View. So if the Enable Protected View is turned on, make sure to turn it off and then click on OK and restart your computer and try to open up your file again, and then it should go ahead and open up without any problem. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.